Bowel problems corrected after one adjustment. Hi, I'm Dr. Imanuel Morenings, and got that report this morning from a patient who is very pleased, has had chronic bowel issues since surgery he'd had some years back. He came in, had lower back, also had neck issues, but primarily lower back, and we adjusted him successfully last week, and came in this morning noting that his bowel issues that he'd had were simply non-existent. Now, how does that happen? Did I treat him for his bowel issues? Well, no. As a chiropractor, I look for interference in the spine, and certainly understanding that the nerves from the lower back also contribute and supply the bowel, the lower bowel, and so on, and the bladder as well. And in his case, he had interference. We were able to remove that interference, and he noticed the difference. Now, in his case, quite dramatic, because this is something that had been giving him problems, and he noticed very quick response. Pleased to see that. But normally it takes a little longer, especially if it's a chronic problem, to see any changes that might happen. So just a consideration that even with bowel, bladder, even sexual function, if it's caused by interference with the nerves from the lower back or other areas of the spine, it can certainly affect it. So something to think about as you go through your day. Have a blessed day.